Hello, my name is Michelle, and this is Full Bottle Worthy. Today I'm going to be talking about fall fragrances that you can get under $35. I have done this for spring and summer as well as vanilla fragrances. I will link all three of those videos below. So if that sounds good, please stay tuned. First, we have Versace's Crystal Noir. This is the EDT formulation. The main notes for me are cardamom, gardenia, and sandalwood. This is a seductive scent that I love to wear in the cooler weather at night. You could wear it during the day, but I do find it to be quite alluring. I find it lasts 6 to 7 hours on the skin with a moderate projection. Again, this is Crystal Noir by Versace. Next, we have Spice and Black Vanilla by Cremo. This is a gorgeous vanillic spicy fragrance, perfect for the fall. You can get this for about $20. And the main notes are, for me, tobacco, cardamom, and vanilla. Now, if you look them for Grantica, tobacco is not going to be listed, but when you purchase the package, it actually says tobacco on it. So I'm going with that. I find this lasts 3 to 4 hours on the skin, so I tend to overspray, but it is a gorgeous fall scent. Again, this is Cremo's Spice and Black Vanilla. Next, we have Loverdose by Diesel, and this is a vanillic fragrance with licorice. I just crave this in the fall, and I recently saw it for $30, so not a bad price at all. I find it lasts 6 to 7 hours on my skin, and it is a rather linear wear, but absolutely perfect for the fall. Loverdose by Diesel. Next, I have Calvin Klein's Euphoria. This is an oldie but a goodie. It has pomegranate and persimmon up at the top, and then it has mahogany in the base. This is a woody fragrance, but it has a sweetness to it. It's incredibly beautiful, and I find it to be very versatile. I think fall is the perfect time to wear this. I'm currently getting 4 to 5 hours out of this when I wear it. I'm hoping the longer that I own it, I'm going to get a little bit more longevity with it. Again, this is Euphoria by Calvin Klein. Next, we have Noir by Cacharel. This is a gorgeous soapy musk. It is perfect for everyday use. You can wear it to the office, you can wear it running errands, you can wear it right out of the shower. But I do find there's a little bit of heft to it, which is why I would suggest wearing it in the fall opposed to other seasons. I get about 5 to 6 hours with this, and it really just dries down to a beautiful soapy musk. Again, this is Noah by Cacharel. Next, we have Lovely by Sarah Jessica Parker. Now, for me, this is a patchouli scent, a musky patchouli scent, which in the fall, I crave patchouli scents. On those cooler, maybe cloudy, rainy days, patchouli is the perfect marriage for me on those days. I find this lasts 6 to 7 hours on my skin with a moderate to strong projection. Again, this is Lovely by Sarah Jessica Parker. Next, we have Joop's Le Bon. This is a gorgeous vanillic amber with aldehydes. It does have an ever so slightly vintage touch to it with the aldehydes at the top, but I find this fragrance absolutely amazing. I love to wear it in the fall. It's perfect in the transitional season when it's getting a little bit cooler because of the amber base that it has. I find it lasts 7 to 8 hours on my skin with a moderate to strong projection. Again, this is Le Bon. Next, I have Rolling in Love by Oil Perfumery. This is an impression of Kilian's Rolling in Love. And I have to say, because I own Rolling in Love, I have a full bottle of it, they're incredibly similar. And this is a great alternative if you can't afford or don't want to spend the money on the Kilian fragrance. What is in this fragrance is an almond milk and an iris. And it's incredibly creamy and sensual. This does wear close to the skin because it is an oil, but I think this is perfect for date night. You could also wear this to the office. It'd really work in any situation in the fall. Again, this is Oil Perfumery's Rolling in Love. Next, we have Teriaq by Lattafa. This is a gorgeous sweet scent with apricots and some leather in the base. It is expertly blended and just is perfect for date night, girls' night out. You can even wear it to the office, but it is incredibly sweet, so I'd be easy on the trigger. And it really depends what kind of office you work in or what kind of environment you work in. I find this lasts 6 to 7 hours on the skin. Again, this is Teriaq by Lattafa. Next, we have The Only One by Dolce and Gabbana. This is a gorgeous caramel and violet scent. Now, I would say that this is a perfumey violet and caramel scent. It is not gourmand. So you're not going to get something similar to a Lyra type caramel with this. This is a perfumey caramel. It does last about 4 to 5 hours on my skin with a moderate projection. I think this is perfect for any occasion in the fall. Again, this is The Only One by Dolce and Gabbana. Thank you for joining me today. I'm so glad I was able to share with you my fall picks for under $35. Please tell me down in the comments, what are your picks for under $35 for fall? I'd love to find out. Please subscribe to continue to see more content like this. And please give this video a thumbs up as it helps my channel to grow and to reach more people like you. Until next time, goodbye.